What up, guys? It's Grim. Yeah, so this is probably gonna be my first video that I put onto this channel. I have a few other videos that I recorded and kind of messed with, but they didn't really turn out too right. I'm just starting out on this. I just got a camera, a PC, and everything. And yeah, this channel will mainly consist with marijuana and games. I also stream a lot. I'll link my stream, my Twitch down in the description below. You know, like and subscribe if you want to do that. I don't really, you know what I mean? You go ahead. Yeah, but today we'll be smoking a little bit out of this little thing right here. I don't have too much green left. I'm kind of broke. I recently lost my job due to health reasons, but that's alright. So yeah, we're gonna smoke this real quick, and then we'll get to playing some overwatch. Yeah, like I said, I edited some videos yesterday, but they just didn't come out that well, so I got upset and I just deleted them. So here I am, recreating my first video again for like probably the 10th time, dude. And I also recorded myself a lot with this little camera that I have because I plan on making like hotbox videos in my car, and just like I'm trying to figure out like little fun stuff to do. And none of those came out right either, so I had to. Man, that's alright though. All right, let's get this hit. It worked. Let's get to some of these real quick. When does comp start back up? 3 days. Actually, no, we're gonna play some tank. Oh. Man. Yeah. We got a lot of different games I like to play. We got Overwatch. I play Helldivers, CS:GO, Shell Shock. I do have a game that I might want to play, do like a playthrough on here. It's Drug Dealer Simulator. Let me know if you guys want to see that. I do have it.
Let's get it!
Sorry, guys.
Let's get some.
Oh, we're about to kill him.
We got these noobs. Rush hard.
Oh hell yeah, bro. This is who we need. This is who y'all need when you're playing games. Look, he's got me sitting up and everything.
Only in unity will we find strength. I will not yield.
Your work is a hypothesis. Prove it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's get it.
Flashpoint arena.
And I'll try. I don't know what my schedule's gonna be like. I'll try to stream as much as I possibly can, especially because I don't have a job right now. Like I said, I am trying to find one though. YouTube videos. I'll try to put out as many as I can, at least one a day. I can't really promise that though. Oh, you're lucky you didn't put that out sooner, dude. They're running from you, man. What are... Die! Hey, you're not slick! Alright, I mean, we're doing pretty good. I'm not doing that good. Healers are doing great so far, as it is. DPS is doing
Good job, guys.
pretty
Good
good. That's
job.
almost
Keep it
1,000.
up.
Facts.
We got these noobs.
But... can't see. No one's fault. That was mine. Sorry. Shouldn't have rushed in that hard, you know. I thought. Yeah! How did I miss both of them? How is Diva still alive? There's nothing I can do!
We're good, Dan. We're good, Dan. Let's regroup. Let's regroup.
Yeah, we're good, we're good. We're good, we just gotta bring it back a little bit. Bring it back. I don't know, dude, I wanna play some other games. I might record some more videos after this. And you know, maybe I'll post 2 today. Or maybe I should just save them and stick to that 1-a-day thing so I can keep that on the schedule instead of... Cause you know, it's more of like 2-day, it's like 2-day maybe every day, or it's like 1-a-day more likely every day, I guess. Cause I'm not always feeling. Why did I think that was an enemy? Alright. Fuck off. Nice. We're playing this game. Yeah, this is a pretty good game so far. Probably be a little bit more. Go away. Damn, dude. What? Like, I mean, yeah, I pushed away myself. Dude, they were like, oh man, I couldn't move.
I'm under attack.
That's alright.
My allies need me.
The point is vulnerable.
That's alright. That's okay.
Keep the point under our protection. Join me.
You gotta group up.
Feeling more powerful?
Damage output.
We just gotta group up. That's all. I got it! I got it! I'm not really good as any other tanks. I'm trying to think if there's anyone I could switch
I learn
to.
from my mistakes.
I'm kind of good as Junker Queen, but I think we need a good like tank right now. You know what I mean? Junker Queen's kind of like, if I don't know, cause I mean I do alright DPS. It's alright, just let him have it. That's 1 point out of 3. Just let him have that. We got the first one too.
Lost. Next flashpoint, the ducks.
I see an enemy.
Go away.
Catch you later.
Let's just get to the point, guys.
This is my no-no stick. It's my no-no stick. Oh, I was really hoping I would have hit someone with that.
Flashpoint unlocks in 10 seconds.
No, why am I whipping? Oh. Fuck, man.
I must do better.
Oh. This is so disappointing, dude, that they even, like, grabbed it, dude. Symmetra is a very, like... Not... Is this Symmetra? Yeah, I think it's Symmetra, the one that, Yeah.
I am empowering you. Weapon system
What am I supposed to do? How much?
Reevaluating.
Mercy's got to step it up just a little bit. Just a little tiny bit.
apagando las luces.
Not trying to hurt anyone's feelings, dude, but Mercy, like, Mercy should not have 4,000 healing.
Lost.
Should have way more.
Flashpoint.
Especially by this point, dude. Like, that's some crazy shit. I don't even... I'm pretty bad aiming, I guess. Oh, fuck. Sick of you.
Purge the enemy from our objective. Your end is within my reach. Surrender to my will.
Mercy dead. Thank you, dude. I was pressing left shift, I swear. Not much I can do, to be honest.
They will not break me.
Like, I need a pocket heal a little bit, dude. Like when you got a tank who's putting in the work and almost has more damage than all your DPS except for the Bastion, which is like duh. Then like you gotta start pocketing me a little bit, dude, because I'm getting shit done, but I can't get it done without the right amount of heals. Go away, dude. Shoot. Scram. Ah! You're dead as hell. Yeah, fuck. I forgot. They're gonna kill me anyway. Am I pushing in too much? Like, is that what I'm doing?
I must do better.
That tank's got a lot of picks, but I mean it's a diva. I got more damage though. They won. GG, man. I don't know. Healers had to do a little bit more. Mercy should have had a lot more healing, to be honest. So should have Moira, but it's alright. GG's.
Play of the game.
I'll endorse both of them still. They tried. There's not much you can do, man. Yeah, dude, they're whatever her name was was going kind of nuts. Not gonna lie. Well, that was the first game, and I guess we'll just stop that and say that's the first video. I'm probably just gonna record another video right after this. So you'll see me in the same another video in the same, like clothes or whatever. So don't think I'm too dirty. Even though it's dirty behind me, I gotta clean my room. I'm aware. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Check out the Twitch if you see that. Yeah, peace out. Thanks, guys.